Welcome to Frequency Matters, the RF and Microwave Update. I'm Pat Hindle. I'm here at IMS 2022 talking with Sherwin Damdar. You are the Director of Product Management and Innovation. I like that title.
Yeah.
With Garlock. So can you tell us a little bit about the company? I don't think people are familiar with you.
Yeah, so we're excited to be here. So Garlock has been around for more than 120 years, and we solve market problems by converting polymers into value-added products. And we have a wealth of information, we have a wealth of experience with processing PTFE. But what we're excited to bring to market today is WavePro, which is a brand and a product group that's specifically targeted to RF and microwave designers. We want to give RF and microwave designers maximum flexibility. We want them to be able to design and get a made-to-order solution. So what we're bringing to market is a made-to-order, low-loss dielectric material. You can pick the DK that you want, and we have a great range of DKs from 2.5 to 12, and we're pushing that even higher, above 12. We're also working on going below 2.5 all the way down to 1.8. So you can pick the DK you want. You can also pick the shape of the material you want. You can get a panel, you can get a conformal shape if you want, you can get a 3D shape if you want, and then you can work with a partner and you can metalize it any way you want. So we are giving our antenna engineers maximum flexibility to make designs that can really push the boundaries on what they can deliver.
So can you tell us a little bit about the products that can be realized and applications that they go with?
Yeah, so one of the early adopters of this, of course, is antenna engineers. And antenna engineers are always pushing the boundaries. They're always looking for something new. They're looking for that flexibility. And so it's been really exciting to work with them. Here's a great example of a planar antenna that we worked with an antenna designer to make. So antenna, and there's also premium space in the PCB. There's a lot of PCB designs that, when you walk around today and you look at what's happening and how people are pushing the boundaries on power, pushing the boundary on speed and efficiency, there's a lot of premium applications within the PCB space. So we're working with some of those premium PCB manufacturers. And there's other applications that we get all the time, and that's the beauty of being a made-to-order business. People are always coming to us and say, can you do this, can you do that? We're always excited to work with them on new designs.
So you've talked to a lot of people here at IMS 2022. What's their been reaction to this?
Yeah, so we're excited to be here. This is a first for Garlock as a company, and also a first, of course, for WavePro. This is really our launch at the show, and the reaction here has been amazing. I think people are excited to be here in person, showing what they're doing, putting out new innovation, and the pace of this industry is amazing. We were talking about 5G, now we're talking about 6G.
Yeah.
So the pace of technology and innovation in our industry is amazing. So it's refreshing, it's exciting to be here, and we're excited to be working with people and getting their feedback.
Well, thank you so much, Sherwin, for sharing up information about Garlock and introducing them to the audience here at the RF and Microwave Symposium. Thank you again, and join us next time for Frequency Matters.